These don't look like stickers, dude. They're so flimsy. Alright, 2 stickers for 2 butt cheeks. Konnichiwa YouTubers, it is Heartbreaking Biker again, and today we are going to unbox the 128GB Samsung Pro SSD for my PC, and this is going to be the first hard disk of my PC. This is a 128GB. I wanted a 256GB, but the price was a little too on the higher side, so I went ahead with the 128GB. Also, 256 wasn't available. They were giving us the price, but then they didn't have it in stock. So what the hell, right? We picked up 128. For those of you guys who don't know why I'm unboxing this stuff, because I'm building a PC for my gaming. You can see the other unboxing videos in the link below in the description, or I'll link it up somewhere here. You can see the whole playlist of the stuff that I'm going to unbox. Alright, so again with the unboxing, I have Monish, my friend over here, who's gonna help me out. Monish, please unbox the Samsung SSD Pro for me, or for my viewers.
This is the packaging. It's a pretty lightweight card. I mean, it's way too light, okay? It's as light as a SD card, but it's got a lot of punch in it.
That's a nice matte finish. Ooh, it almost looks like a passport or something.
An installation guide, a warranty statement, and probably a CD. I don't know what this does. It's probably some sort of data,
data recovery stuff, yes. Or maybe it's metal music.
Yeah, with the black cover, it's probably.
But it's probably Korean pop in it. Who knows? And other stickers.
2 stickers.
Awesome. 2 stickers for 2 butt cheeks. These don't look like stickers, dude. They're so flimsy. Alright. 2 stickers for 2 butt cheeks. Or you can like paste it on your cabinet or on your laptop. I don't know. Wherever you want. And now the star of the show is the Samsung SSD. Beautiful matte finish, dude, on that thing. Wow.
So the red sticker here means it's a Pro.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Yeah,
okay.
and then if there's a blue sticker here, it means that it's a Evo. The Evo is a smaller, the lower version of the SSDs, and the Pro is the higher version of the SSDs.
So Pro is like faster. You're saying like Pro is really faster than?
Yeah, it's like way faster than the Evo.
Alright, so let's see this thing. Holy shit, this is like thin, like this is thinner than, and thinner, and I don't know what to say. This is light like a matchbox.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
This is very, very light.
Holy freaking shit. I feel like it is, I feel like I'm conned. I'm pretty sure like there's no hard disk inside it and it's just the casing. I can only feel the weight of this casing, that's it.
Yeah.
Dude, and what happens if I drop this shit?
Nothing happens. This is pure aluminium, so this is
beautiful. Let's just look at it. Oh my goodness, guys! If you hold an SSD, you would know how light this shit is. What is this shit? This is for the screw.
Yeah, that's like the housing.
Wow, I think the weight is only from these things. The metal. Please don't copy my serial number and pin number and. Alright, so those are the connector pins for the SSD. Beautiful.
Yeah.
So this is for the power and this is for the data?
That's the data. The bigger one is the data connector and the smaller is the standard SATA power connector.
Wow. I'm surprised how light this shit is, dude. Seriously, like it's that light, Wow. This knife is heavier. What the shit, man? So there it is, guys, the Samsung SSD. You want to say something about it? So SSDs, I believe they don't talk about RPMs, right? This is not a
so they don't have magnetic tapes inside them.
Right.
Okay, it's like a solid state single flash drive, which is the same principle which is what you have in SD cards.
Okay.
And the difference between this is that it offers a lot more speed than a magnetic tape drive, but on the other hand, it also has data recovery and data stability issues, which is why we don't usually use solid state drives for data storage. This is only for meant like a primary storage where you load the operating system
Right.
and do the fast processing of data IO from there.
Beautiful. So this is gonna be my primary hard disk on my gaming PC. So that is beautiful. Sexy Samsung. Alright, so if you love the unboxing of the Samsung 128GB SSD Pro, then give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in comments what is the next component you want to see me unbox. And as usual, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. This is Heartbroken Biker signing off.